A very good morning, students. Today in geography subject we will have a revision on lesson number 3, comparing a globe and a map field visit. In Google Meet we already have a discussion on the same chapter. On Wednesday also we are having an online test on lesson number 3. So we will do a revision on the same chapter. So let's see. Now comparing a map and a globe, already we have done the question answers. So a little revision we will do based on the same chapter. So let's start. Globe. A globe is a spherical device. The shape of the globe is like a round. So it is known as a spherical device. A globe allows us to see only one side of the earth at the time. So students, on globe we can see only one side of the earth at one time. Obviously when we are seeing the globe, you can see the only one side of the globe. A globe can be called a model of the earth. So students, a globe is called a model of the earth. Same way we will see the map also. Map. A map is a flat device. A map allows us to see the entire area of the earth at the same time. So on the map we can see the full entire area at the same time. A map can be used for studying a particular region in detail. So if you want to study one particular region, so we can study that region in a very detailed way. Now we will see what is the difference between a map and a globe. Difference. Map. A map is a two-dimensional device for studying geography. Already we have discussed any of the device which are having a two measurement, that is the length and the width, is known as a two-dimensional device. A map can be used to study regions of limited extent. So on map we can study the particular region to a limited extent. Globe. A globe is a three-dimensional device for studying geography. Now here, three-dimensional device already we have seen, students. An object having three dimensions such as the length, width, height is called as a three-dimensional device. A globe cannot be used to study regions of limited extent. So a globe cannot be used to study the regions of a limited extent. So have you understood the difference between a map and a globe? It can come in the semester exam also, students. Now let's see the two-dimensional device. What are the two-dimensional device? A surface having two dimensions such as the length and width is called as two-dimensional objects. For example, they are the blackboard, paper, tabletop, land. So wherever you see the flat portion, student, of two measurement, they are known as two-dimensional objects or device. Understood? So these are some of the examples I have kept in front of you, so you will be able to understand very clearly. Now what are the three-dimensional device? Let's see. Any object having three dimensions such as the length, width and height, that is called as thickness, is called as three-dimensional objects. Example, duster, then the shape of the duster duster, then somewhat the shape of the duster is like rectangular, then box we can say cube, then glass like cylinder shape, hill, prism we can say like hill or pyramid we can say, the moon, sphere like the circle, okay, then cone. So all these dimensions which are having the three measurements are known as three-dimensional device. So have you understood the difference between two-dimension and three-dimensional device? Very easy. Now let's see Eartha. Eartha is the largest operational globe in the world. Can you see how big it is? And it is housed at Yarmouth in the state of Maine in United States of America. So where it is, students? It is in the United States of America. The rotation and revolution speed of this globe is maintained as per that of the earth. So how the earth is been revolving and the rotation, the same is been maintained in this globe also. That is the Eartha. So we have completed the lesson number 3 revision today. Hope so on Wednesday we are having a class test of the same chapter. So everyone should get full marks in online class test. MCQ based 10 marks questions it will be. So today's topic of revision, that is lesson number 3, I am ending here only. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, students.